Is your computer running slow because of too many apps? Let's uninstall what you don't need. It's super easy. Welcome to Tech Made Simple. Today, I will show you how to remove unwanted program from your PC or your system. The first thing to do is you come to Startup menu. We now search for Control Panel from here. This Control Panel. From the list up here, you can see Control Panel. Then we click on Control Panel. That's open up. The next thing to check here is the program. You click on the program and then you click Programs and Features. These are the list of the software on this PC. Likewise, on your own, once you get to this place, you will see all the softwares that you have installed on your system. You see them here. Now, from this point, from the up, you can see uninstall or change program. Then I want to uninstall wireframes from this system because I don't use it often. It's been longer I use it, so there's no need of keeping it on my system. At least it will free some space on my phone, on my system. Then you click on it, you right click, you click on install. So are you sure you want to completely remove wireframe and all of its components? Yes, I want to remove it. So it's processing it, it's uninstalling it. We'll have to wait for it to completely remove it. We follow the screen. Now it's processing it. Said wireframe was successfully removed from the computer. Next thing you say okay. Then you can check here. You can see that that app, that software is no longer on the system. Then you can close your programs here. When you check here, the app was here initially and has been removed completely from the system. Boom! You just clean your computer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more beginner tech guide. See you in the next one. Peace.